All right, so you can see a canvas here. I'm going to draw the acrylic paint. So I'm going to draw the house. You can take a little bit water to make the color more realistic. Okay, and you can see the doors and windows on the side. Okay, and here you can just draw the landscape with the few strokes of the white color. Mhm. All right, awesome. Now we can draw a tree which is going to be the brighter spring tree. You can see the branches. All right, on the right side. Okay, some branches you can see here. Mhm. And also some other trees on the side, maybe smaller in size. Okay, another one here on top of the house. Okay, all right, so these are going to be the tree lines, and you can see the leaves on top of the trees, just the symbolic presentations. You can see the dots. Okay, and for a colorful outlines of the leaves, you can put the yellow color in some places. Mhm. So that the whole drawing is going to be nice looking. Just put the few yellow strokes on the top. Okay, and also putting some grasses at the bottom, so that's why we need the green color again, and putting some strokes of the you can see the grasses at the ground level. So that's the very simple formations of the tree drawing. Some grasses you can see also in these places too. Okay, all right. And after that house, we need to put some details on that house too. Okay, so let's take the white color again, putting the doors on the side, also another door on this side. Okay, and putting the roof, you can see the roof here. Mhm. And drawing a haystacks beside the house. There's the particular rural scenery. Okay, and also we're going to draw the outlines in this section for the rooftop of the houses, just putting some graphics of the haystacks, you can see. Okay, just drawing like this so that it just defines that it's the rooftop. Okay, and putting few lines over the haystacks. Okay, so there's the simple outlines of the scenery and the houses. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.